My name is Jane Cerniano. I'm from Goshen, Connecticut, and I have loved every part of this program. The food, the people I've been meeting. Lisa Wilson is an amazing teacher, and each component has been something I needed. And there's been people here I needed to talk to, and I have enjoyed every single thing. The food is delicious. The classes have been wonderful and inspirational and motivational. So now I have some motivation to get going on my next part of my life and to do some more things at home that I haven't been doing, like an exercise program all the time again, and my juices and my healthy foods all the time. So I really am indebted to Lisa for doing this, and everybody who helps with it. They're wonderful, and it's just run so well and done so well. So I'm really grateful. Thank you to Lisa and all of the staff. Bye.